In this video, we're going to be talking about how to use Temu Bundle Deal feature in 2026. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So what you want to do is simply go ahead and claim the bundle from the homepage or your profile. If you go ahead and look for the bundle deals, you can actually go ahead and find some. Simply go ahead and select the bundle deals that are available and then add them to your cart and then purchase it. So that is exactly how it works. As you can see right over here, it is bunch of different stocks for a lot of different discount. You can go ahead and search for this. This is not really that reliable. So the second way to find a lot of deals is going to be searching this exact thing on your search bar. Go ahead and copy it by pausing the video. So here you go. This is ACV 748926. This is going to give you a bunch of different discounts right over here, as you can see. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.